So yeah, I tried to make some pancakes. I don't know what my daughter put in them pancakes, y'all, but she added oil. When the box say just add water, the box says it. Just add water. Complete. Just add water. Just add water to the pancake mix. Nothing else. Pasha, let me see them pancakes. Let me show you people what the pancake look like. You had me to make. And no, I ain't no dang baker. Let me see that pancake. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I don't know what she put in here. She said she put oil, butter. Would you eat this? Just tell me. Who finna eat this shit? I ain't no goddamn baker. I ain't signed up for this. My grandma ain't teach me how to bake damn pancakes. I need